This tree rains pure gold every single summer. Meet Cassia fistula, the Indian Laburnum. Known across the tropics as the golden shower tree, it transforms entire landscapes into rivers of yellow light from April to June. This tree is the national flower of Thailand, where it's called ratchafruit and symbolizes royalty. In Kerala, India, the golden blooms of Kanikona are central to the Vishu festival, where seeing them first thing in the morning is considered the most auspicious sight of the year. Its long, cylindrical seed pods can hold anywhere from 25 to 100 seeds, each sealed in its own compartment by a tiny disc-like wall, which is exactly why people call it the pudding pipe tree. The fruit pulp was so valued as a mild laxative that it was listed in the European Pharmacopoeia for centuries and traded along ancient spice routes. And the heartwood is so hard and durable, it was used for cartwheels and bridge posts across rural India. Plant at the onset of monsoon in tropical regions or early spring in subtropical areas. Give it full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours daily, and space it 8 to 10 meters from other trees and structures so that spreading canopy has room to breathe. It's drought-tolerant once established, but water it regularly for the first 2 to 3 years. Do plant it if you want a stunning flowering shade tree for a large garden, park, or avenue. Don't plant it in frost-prone climates because it can't handle sustained temperatures below zero. And don't expect instant results. Young trees typically take 5 to 8 years from seed before they flower for the first time. A single golden shower tree can live 50 to 80 years, sometimes over a century. Plant one, and you're giving generations a front-row seat to one of nature's most breathtaking performances. Restore, protect, inspire.